Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn about a very important React hook called useEffect. This hook helps you manage side effect in our React components. Let's get started. useEffect is a hook in React that lets us run some code when the component mounts, updates or unmount. This is very useful for things like fetch dating, setting up, subscribe or manual changing the DOM. Let's start with a simple example to understand how useEffect works. Create useEffect. We need to import with React and here is a basic React component. In this example, the code inside useEffect runs when the component's mounted. Add our code. Let's try to add console log. The empty array means it only runs once, like component did mounted. Its name dependencies array. Next, let's see how the dependencies array works. But first, we don't have any. Let's look at the console. Like you see, our word appeared only one time. But if we add some dependencies in this array, our console log works anytime when this dependence is changed. Let's try. We create new state. Using use state and let's deduce our count using h5 tag, but it doesn't matter. You can use everything and create button. And let's look at the window. I forgot to add function. Add listener and create arrow function and called set count. And now all time when user click on the button, our count will be increased. Okay, let's look at the window. Like you see, all times when I click on the button, our count is increased. And like you see, our word show add to console all time when I click the button. Okay, let's go to the next very useful function. Its name cleanup function. Sometimes we need to clean up after our effect. Let's create the example. Add event. We can create event, receive, and we can use some function. We can name handler resize and create a function and add some console logs. We can write window resized okay, and also we need to correct this mistake and add this function here. And if we want to using cleanup function, we need to add return. And add window remove event listener receive. Okay, let's connect. Add our function here. And now always when our component will be unmounted, our function will be delete. It's a very important and useful function because we can optimize our application. Let's look at the example. Now we don't see nothing, but I can to create examples. Create some components. We can name resize using snippet to create it more fast, and add this function there. Also add these functions, add our hooks, and add our imports. Delete useState, and also in our main component remove useEffect. Okay, and we don't need count anymore, I think. And also import our component. And add boolean here and change name because it's too strange. We can write bool, and also change here, add bool, and change this function. Okay, and add this value here. Now let's look at the window. Like you see, our function works okay, but if I delete this cleanup function, our result is change. Like you see, now our function recreate many times, and it's very bad to to optimization, and I advise always using this function when you using listener. It helps you make your application more optimization. Okay, thanks for watching this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe on the channel, and see you in the next video.